Imagine a world where death is just a minor obstacle, not the end. For centuries, humans have dreamed of living forever, sparking myths, legends, and scientific wonders. But guess what? Nature has its own secret weapons. Some animals seem to defy the very concept of mortality, thriving against all odds. From tiny, nearly indestructible water bears to majestic whales that seem to cheat aging itself, these creatures possess mind-blowing abilities to regenerate, resist time, and survive the harshest conditions. Ready to uncover the astonishing secrets of nature's most incredible survivors? Stay tuned as we explore the animals that might just be immortal. Yes, you heard that right. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on these jaw-dropping discoveries. Let's dive in. Lizards, salamanders, and axolotls. One of the most captivating features in the animal kingdom is regenerative ability. Certain animals can regrow lost body parts, restoring themselves as if nothing happened. Lizards can shed their tails to escape predators and then regenerate a new one. Salamanders and axolotls take this to another level. They can regenerate entire limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of their hearts and brains. Take the axolotl, for instance, a type of salamander native to lakes in Mexico. These creatures can regenerate not only limbs, but also complex tissues like their spinal cord and parts of their brain, making them a favorite subject of scientific research. Their secret lies in pluripotent stem cells, cells capable of developing into any tissue type. These stem cells enable axolotls to rebuild damaged organs and limbs perfectly. But what about animals that can regenerate even after being decapitated? Enter the planarian flatworm. These tiny worms can regrow their entire bodies, including their heads with brains, from just a small piece of tissue. Scientists have discovered that flatworms keep their regenerative signals turned off until needed, thanks to the WNT signaling pathway, a network of molecular signals that regulate cell growth. When this pathway is suppressed, they can undergo complete regeneration, even after decapitation. In fact, their regenerative capabilities are so advanced that if you cut a flatworm into multiple pieces, each piece can grow into a new, fully formed animal. The lobster. Many are familiar with the lobster's delicious taste, but few realize these marine creatures are also remarkable for their longevity. American lobsters can live for 50 to over 100 years, with some specimens reaching up to 140 years or more. Their secret lies in their unique biology. Lobsters continuously regenerate their DNA through a process called DNA repair. This ongoing repair prevents the accumulation of genetic damage that typically leads to aging. Additionally, lobsters have a slow metabolism due to their cold ocean habitats, which contributes to their longevity. Unlike humans, whose cells gradually deteriorate over time, lobsters seem to maintain cellular health indefinitely. In 2009, a 140-year-old lobster was caught off the coast of Maine, weighing over 35 pounds, a true testament to their extraordinary lifespan. Greenland shark. If you're looking to extend your lifespan, the Greenland shark might be your animal of choice. These deep-sea dwellers are nothing short of ancient. Estimates suggest they can live up to 512 years, making them the longest living vertebrates on the planet. How do they achieve such longevity? Their environment plays a crucial role. Living in freezing Arctic waters significantly slows their metabolism, which means they age very slowly. Researchers have determined their age by radiocarbon dating of eye lenses, revealing some Greenland sharks born during the early 1500s. Imagine witnessing the rise and fall of empires while the shark remained in the depths, untouched by the passage of centuries. Their slow growth and late sexual maturity, around 150 years, are adaptations to survive in extreme cold, where biological processes are naturally decelerated. Tardigrades. When it comes to resilience, few animals can compete with the tardigrade, affectionately known as the water bear. These microscopic creatures, measuring less than half a millimeter, have earned a reputation as the most indestructible animals on Earth. They can survive in some of the most hostile environments known: extreme temperatures, radiation, vacuum of space, and even the aftermath of being dried out. Tardigrades can live up to 60 years in the wild, and what makes them extraordinary is their ability to endure conditions lethal to most other life forms. They can survive extreme heat of over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, freezing temperatures of negative 328 degrees Fahrenheit, and high doses of radiation. When faced with dehydration, tardigrades enter a state called cryptobiosis, a kind of suspended animation, allowing them to survive for decades without water or food. In fact, tardigrades sent into space survived the vacuum and radiation of outer space, proving their almost indestructible nature. Ocean quahog. Among invertebrates, the ocean quahog clam stands out as the longest-lived animal known to science. In 2006, researchers found a clam off Iceland that was estimated to be 507 years old, meaning it was alive during the early 1500s. Nicknamed Ming after the Chinese dynasty, this mollusk's age was determined by counting the growth rings on its shell, similar to how dendrochronologists date trees. Ming's extraordinary lifespan offers insights into how some species can evade the aging process. These clams grow slowly in cold, deep waters, which reduces their metabolic rate and cellular damage. Their ability to live for over 5 centuries raises intriguing questions about the potential for extended lifespan in other animals, and whether human aging can someday be slowed or halted. The Aldabra giant tortoise. The Aldabra giant tortoise is a true emblem of longevity among reptiles. Some individuals have lived for over 300 years, with certain specimens surpassing this milestone. These gentle giants, native to the Indian Ocean islands, grow to impressive sizes, up to 4 feet long and weighing over 550 pounds. Historically, many of these tortoises fell prey to excessive hunting during colonial times, leading to their decline. Today, conservation efforts aim to protect and preserve these ancient creatures. Their slow metabolism and robust immunity contribute to their long lifespan, making them living relics of Earth's past. If you encounter one in the wild, treat it with respect. It's a living testament to nature's incredible capacity for longevity. The animal kingdom offers a breathtaking array of creatures that challenge our understanding of aging and death. From the regenerative prowess of axolotls and flatworms to the nearly indestructible tardigrades and the ancient Greenland shark, nature demonstrates that the boundaries of life can be stretched in astonishing ways. In the end, these animals remind us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and its endless capacity for adaptation. Whether it's a tiny water bear surviving space or a colossal whale living 2 centuries without disease, nature's resilience continues to inspire wonder and perhaps one day the dream of eternal life.